So as you guys know, we've seen a lot of major market moves over the last couple of days, and today we got in the middle of what's already like a huge uproar in the crypto community. We had a huge announcement from a massive purchase we're going to be talking about later in today's video. As you guys know, XRP actually took off. We have over $1 XRP. Absolutely insanity, because I remember this thing was like 20 something cents not that long ago. Congratulations if you hold XRP. I personally don't. I don't like XRP, but honestly, once the lawsuit with XRP is cleared up, you might see like $3 to $5 XRP. So congratulations to anybody holding that. But in other news, we have just tons and tons of coins pumping. And like I said, we have like a major announcement for why one or two of the coins is pumping that we're going to be discussing in today's video. The market is going to continue to boom. This is just the start. Summer is right around the corner. We have a lot of big news coming. So let's just jump right into it. First of all, if you guys haven't liked the video and you're not subscribed to the channel, man, listen, I upload videos sometimes like today where you need to hear this news as soon as possible to make educated decision on what's to come. So make sure you subscribe with notifications on, because sometimes it's very, very time sensitive. Something could be going way up or way down and you don't want to miss that. And like the video, dude. If you like money, okay, if you want to make a lot of money this year in cryptocurrency, a like on this video right now will give you good luck. Okay, just like the video. It helps out the channel a lot, the YouTube algorithm and things of that nature. Now, I want to quickly jump into the market. Now, if you guys haven't seen yet, and if you guys haven't really been paying attention, Bitcoin just kind of holding, man. We've had Bitcoin at this 57, 58,000 range, 59,000. It's just holding there, and a lot of people are like getting worried or whatever. Listen, Bitcoin is going to have a leg up soon. I think we're going to be pushing $70,000 Bitcoin. It's going to happen, I promise you. Ethereum just kind of consolidating around this 2100 price. I do predict when Bitcoin moves, Ethereum will follow suit. As you see right now, a lot of the money from all this dumping into other coins. The only ones in the top 10 besides them are down for the day is Polkadot and Uni. I do think Litecoin and Chainlink is going to swap Uni here very shortly, but we'll talk about that later in today's video. Now, XRP up to number 4, passing Tether. Pretty crazy. BNB, $400, man. For those of you guys that know my history in BNB, that really hurts me. But let's talk about what we're going to be talking about in today's video. First of all, Litecoin has been added officially to PayPal. So there's now 29 million merchants in the world that you can pay with Litecoin. I don't know if you guys know this. I've kind of thrown this advice out there to some people in like my trading group and stuff. But if you are transferring, let's say that you sign up for BlockFi. For those of you guys that don't know what BlockFi is, essentially it's the world's first crypto bank. So like your bank account, when you have an interest account, you get paid compound interest for just holding money in a bank. It's the same thing with crypto, except you get paid every day in Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum or Chainlink. There's a sign up link down below that'll get you a $250 bonus. Go click it, go sign up if you're holding any of these coins. Trust me, send them over there. You will not regret it. I think that's the most like advanced investment tool in modern, like now. Do it. I have a lot of my holdings there. I would highly suggest it. But let's say that you were trying to transfer, you know, $1,000 from Coinbase to, let's say, Binance, or Coinbase to BlockFi, so you could start earning interest. The best coin to do that in is Litecoin, because the fees are so low and the transfer speed's actually very fast as well. A lot of people don't know this about Litecoin, but Litecoin's basically the same as Bitcoin. There's 4 times more Litecoin total than there is Bitcoin. It is the same system. It has the halving system. It's literally silver to Bitcoin's gold. But Litecoin is now accepted by 29 million merchants on PayPal. A little different than what we thought PayPal was going to be. So if you buy something with Litecoin, it's instantly changing it to fiat currency. So it's not like they're receiving Litecoin, they're receiving US dollars. You can just send your Litecoin to them for that. I don't know who would do that. Why would you want to get rid of something that's up 20% on the week for a transaction? You're going to be one of them guys that, like the dude in the old days that bought 2 Domino's pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin, which is now like $1 billion or some crazy stuff. Don't buy things with crypto, man. Buy things with cash. store your value in crypto so you can increase your purchasing power over time. So that is huge news for Litecoin. And the next huge news is with Chainlink. Now, you guys know these are the two that I've really been like calling. I called you guys to buy Litecoin around $137, so it's up $100 since I originally told you guys to buy in. I think my average buy-in for Litecoin is about 140 bucks, but since I do have my Litecoin holdings in BlockFi, I'm getting a 6.5% APY on that. So essentially it's lowering my buy-in cost every single day, which is really sick. And that's in compound interest. And then recently I told you guys to buy Ethereum, I think around $1,800. You guys did see the blast off nearing $2,200, and I do think this is going to continue to rise. I'm thinking around $3,000 by the end of April. So hopefully ETH is going good. But Chainlink, I told you guys to buy into Chainlink heavy around $28, and now we're almost pushing 35 bucks. Well, that was going up. Chainlink was doing good. We were up around $31, $32. And then this morning we had a blast off because we had an announcement. So let's go to the 1 day. As you guys will see right here, we went from $32 to $34.30 in about, well, a minute. Now, some of you guys are probably wondering why, what happened, what was the pump for? Grayscale. This has been announced like a long time ago. There's been a lot of people saying that Grayscale was going to add Chainlink, and it actually never went through. There was a lot of hype about it, and that's what initially pushed Link to like this $36 price range. Everyone was predicting that Grayscale was going to add it to their like digital cap fund, but they didn't do that. But they did it today. So Chainlink was already going up, and then bam, as you will see by this announcement here, Grayscale, we are pleased to announce that the updated weightings on Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund. Digital Large Cap Fund is a passive rules-based strategy that seeks to provide exposure to 70% of the digital assets market. Link was added to the digital large cap fund. No other assets qualified for inclusion. The below table highlights the fund's weightings as of April 2nd, 2021. Bitcoin, ETH, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Link. I hate Bitcoin Cash, but they have it. 80% Bitcoin, 16% Ethereum. We have 0.87% Chainlink. Some of you guys are wondering like why that would be huge news. They have a ton of money. 0.87% Chainlink, like that could be $100 million of Chainlink. But that was something that a lot of people are waiting for Link to like actually go through and actually to happen. Now it did happen, which means that there's a ton of Chainlink that was just taken out of the market that is not going to be seeing the light of day for a very long time. And if you guys know, as in cryptocurrency, that's a huge thing. That's what drives the price. Like Bitcoin, for example, all the markets are short of Bitcoin. Like every single day, there's less and less Bitcoin. People are buying it and they're transferring it out to hard wallets. They're transferring out to things like BlockFi, and they're running out of Bitcoin to sell. There's actually a graph. Well, I can't find the graph right now, but essentially the Bitcoin miners are actually holding it. There's like, I can kind of picture it, but like basically earlier in the year, all of the things were red, meaning that they were selling all the Bitcoin they were mining every day. And now for the first time in months, all the things are like very green, which means that they're holding the Bitcoin. So basically the daily amount of Bitcoin that's going into the market is not very high. If you guys look at the volume of Bitcoin, say on Binance compared to other coins, it's not being traded that much, which means that as new people keep coming in, and people don't like think about this, but I'm telling you, every single day there's tons of new people that are buying Bitcoin. They're waiting to get verified on apps like Binance or Coinbase, or they're waiting for their bank's transfers to hit, or they're waiting for a paycheck. Like every single day there is more people, more money pouring into this thing. And as that continues to happen, while miners are holding, while people like me are starting to acquire Bitcoin and hold it, hopefully you have even $100 of Bitcoin that you're holding. It is going to cause this price to surge. And as you guys know, when Bitcoin goes up, so does everything else. You guys seen Bitcoin shoot up to a little over 60,000, and now it's been consolidating. All the altcoins are following suit afterwards, right? Now all the altcoins are going to catch up, and then Bitcoin's going to blast off again. That's kind of how the market cycle works. But this announcement with Chainlink is absolutely huge. I think the all-time high with Chainlink was something around $36. We're setting at 35 right now, so I would expect to break an all-time high, maybe even in the next 12 hours. So I really hope you guys did get in on that. I don't know about you, but like I said earlier with BlockFi, I bought around 1,000 Chainlink at 28 bucks. I deposit them all on BlockFi, and now I'm earning roughly 5 Chainlink per month free. That's going to continue to compound interest. So, you know, once I get the 5, then I'm earning interest on them, and it's just a snowball effect. I'm hoping to get my holdings of Chainlink way up as this does continue to climb. I'm very, very bullish on Chainlink. As out of the top 10 I've explained in previous videos, it has a different use case than every single coin in the top 10. I'll go over it quickly. As I explained earlier in the video, Bitcoin and Litecoin have similar use cases, similar like project ideas. Ethereum, Binance Coin, BNB, Cardano, Polkadot, and Uniswap are all pretty similar projects. Their idea of what they want to do is pretty similar. It's a lot of competition. They're all very popular. They're all very strong projects, but they are very similar. Tether obviously is just a stable coin. XRP is essentially trying to be a currency, and obviously, I mean, I've been proven wrong. I guess it's working. It's number 4 now, and who knows, it could pass up, you know, Binance BNB soon. A little bit of advice I would give if you are an XRP holder, I would take a little profits here and buy back in lower. Normally after an 87%, 30% pump on the day, you're going to see a pullback. This happened recently with like Filecoin. Filecoin shot up a ton. It doesn't show here on the weekly, but it was up like 100 and something percent, now down 11%. Tron going down 10%. So if you're looking for something to buy, these could be good coins to buy. Theta even is rebounding now, or Theta, I don't know why I said Theta. But you always see after a huge surge, you will see some bounce back like that. As you see Polkadot up 25% on the week, it's now down 5% today. So if you're looking for cryptos to buy the reds. It means they're ready, right? Don't go down and be like, ooh, Chainlink up 10%. That's nice for people like me. I love Chainlink up 10%. Let's keep that train going. But if you're looking for something new to buy, be like, oh, Bitcoin's red. Oh, Ethereum's red. Oh, Polkadot's red. You know, and cop them coins. That would be my personal advice. But once again, maybe I'm an idiot. I was wrong about XRP. Overall, I have been pretty successful with it. But some huge news with Chainlink, which obviously I'm very proud of. I now hold a little bit over 1,000 Chainlink because of the interest. I'm going to keep compounding that and see where this thing goes. I do project Chainlink can get to, you know, the top 5 maybe in cryptocurrency. Like I said, I do think it's going to flop uni very soon. I'm just waiting for that to kind of happen. But yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this video, man. Thank you all so much for watching. Congratulations if you're in any of these cryptocurrencies. You're seeing massive gains. Continue to invest wisely. Get your things into investment portfolios, man. Get something like BlockFi going. Get like passive incomes building so you can build the amount that you have into this every single day. It's like I'm reinvesting like $30 every day into cryptocurrency, and I'm not. It's just gaining that on my BlockFi. It's sick. Once again, if you guys don't know, you could sign up to Binance.com or Binance.us, depending on where you are in the world, down below, and you can get my trading, like into my trading channel for free. There's also a free Discord down below, so join up there, use the links, guys. I really do appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.